ugly, lazy, lack of imagination or creativity. These are some of the words used to describe Patek Philippe's latest release, i.e. the Cubitus. In response, Thierry, the owner and director of the behemoth, said, "The haters are mostly people who have never had a Patek and never will. So that doesn't bother me. What counts for me is the result. And I'm confident about the Cubitus because I have a good nose and a lot of professionals around me who told me that it will work." What do you think? Let's check out the watch and tell me if you agree. What's up people, welcome back to my channel. After 25 years, the brand has introduced an entirely new collection called the Cubitus. We'll explore two of its standout models, the elegant 5821 in stainless steel and the show-stopping platinum 5822P. Are these watches the ultimate blend of sporty sophistication or do they fall short of Patek legacy? With a unique design language inspired by blending shapes, the square, the circle, and even an octagon, these watches aim to redefine the sporty elegant genre. While they draw subtle parallels to the iconic Nautilus, the Cubitus is far from a replica. Instead, it's a modern take on versatility aiming to appeal to collectors who appreciate both function and form. The 5821 comes in a robust yet elegant stainless steel case measuring at 45mm diagonally. The case is mostly brush finished with its bevel polish finished. The side of the case has two wings jutting out which resembles the Nautilus design. It is also brush and polish finished. The bezel is brush polished while the raised part of the bezel and its bevel remains to be polished, like the Nautilus. Whilst the hands on the Cubitus is the same as the Nautilus, the indices on the Cubitus has a diagonal design which makes it very different from the Nautilus. There are lug holes on the lugs. The screw-down crown is embossed with Patek's logo. The standout feature here is its olive green dial with horizontal embossing, a design that feels contemporary yet timeless. The applied white gold indices coated in superluminova ensures readability day or night. This model is powered by Patek's tried and true self-winding caliber visible through a sapphire crystal case back. The steel bracelet isn't just sturdy, it's a marvel of engineering featuring a patented fold-over clasp with a lockable adjustment system. And while it may lack the complication of its platinum sibling, its simplicity is its strength, appealing to those who prioritize wearability. Now let's talk about their flagship model, which is the 5822P. This model elevates the Cubitus line into the old horology. Crafted in platinum, it has a slightly thicker profile at 9.6mm. The case design on the 5822P is more or less the same with the stainless steel, save for the additional pushes. The pusher at the 4 o'clock is to adjust the day, the pusher at the 8 o'clock is to adjust the moon phase, whereas at the 10 o'clock it is used to adjust the date, which has an instantaneous jump. And of course, there's the significant diamond between the lugs at 6 o'clock, a hallmark of Patek's platinum watches. The dial features an intricate layout showcasing a moon phase and day display at the bottom, along with a big date at the top. These complications are powered by a new self-winding caliber for which Patek has filed 6 patents, showcasing the brand's innovation. The platinum model opts for a navy blue strap made of composite material styled to resemble fabric but built for durability. It's secured with a platinum fold-over clasp blending luxury with functionality. Both models share the distinctive Cubitus DNA, rounded corners, a refined finish, and a water resistance of 30 meters. However, the steel model leans towards versatility, while the platinum edition is unabashedly opulent. Whether you prefer the minimalism of the 5821 or the intricate craftsmanship of the 5822P, there's no denying that these pieces makes a statement. Now, let's talk numbers. The 5821 in stainless steel is priced as seen below, offering a relatively accessible entry point into Patek's new collection. Meanwhile, the 5822P with its platinum construction and advanced complication comes in at a hefty price tag. Both models are sure to be limited in production, making them highly sought after among collectors. So, Where do the 5821 and the 5822P fit within Patek Philippe's illustration lineup? The Cubitus collection is a bold departure that balances innovation with tradition. Yet, it is not a competition between the Nautilus and the Cubitus. They are not mutually exclusive. One can own the Nautilus and the Cubitus at the same time as they both wear very differently on the wrist. For those seeking a sophisticated yet wearable timepiece, the steel models shine. On the other hand, the platinum version is a testament to Patek's commitment to artistry and technical mastery. So what do you think? Which one speaks to you? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into Patek Philippe's latest creation. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more luxury watch content. Until next time, take care now, bye bye now.